Kathy's Cute Creations with
Megan.
And I want to tell everybody, thank you for saying happy birthday to me today. I appreciate it.
Woo, woo, woo.
So let me show you what Megan got me for my birthday.
What did I get you? I don't remember.
She got
getting
this
you
really
anything.
pretty glitter. I
Glittery.
don't know if you can see glitter.
You got
Yeah,
it,
there you go.
got it.
There you go. Glittery
There you go.
ribbon.
It's like a light teal, bluey type thing. Yeah.
And then she got me 2 packs of
Up so they can see it. They go.
fat
Oh, there you
quarters.
go.
2 of the same.
Yeah.
Pretty colors.
So you're gonna make something, right? You gonna make me something?
And then she got me a card that brought tears to my eyes. She's a pretty good little writer
And
on her cards.
I got you chip clips too, because we keep breaking them. So.
That's right. We got some chip clips. They don't need to know about that kind of stuff.
Yeah, they do. I mean, when you get cheap chip clips, the cheap chip clips tend to be cheap and break. Yeah,
They make me think of those chip clips make me think of little duck bills because of those little oval ones with the they make me think of that every time. Okay, so and happy birthday to everybody that has a birthday today that I don't know about out there. Any of you YouTubers?
Who's her twin birthday? Who's her birthday twin?
I don't know. Somebody surely somebody out there is my twin birthday person.
Probably someone.
Someone. Okay, so now we're going to show the Walmart box opening. We don't need to drum roll for the Walmart box. Let's see what's in it. Oh, look at this.
What we got?
I don't know.
You pull
Clean
something
Beauty Avocado Hemp Butter Sleep Mask. Look at the size of that. That's a full-size jar.
Oh, look at the size.
That's a big one.
It's a big one.
They're trying to say we're dirty. Let's see.
Not we. You. It's under your name, not me.
Excuse me. How they know that I'm dirty or not?
Well, they didn't until you
Okay,
said
what
that.
are you looking at?
The next thing we have is a Wet and Wild. I hope this is not backwards in the video. It might be. It says Big Papa.
Mascara?
Bye-bye Limp Lashes.
Okay.
Never heard of a limp lash. It's mascara, yes. And all this packaging for that tiny little thing on this side. So, like...
Oh, it's just a
I was
cute
trying
little
to
thing.
show that there's not any reason for big packaging when you're shipping that thing.
The size of a lipstick tube. And
Not
small like
even,
that.
not
Well, a little bit-
even.
A narrow one.
Like a
A
child's
slim.
a child's lip gloss.
Okay. Well, here, let's open it up. Look at it. At least look at the wand. Oh, look at that.
Shocker. It's mascara.
I know I meant the size of it. Look, it's like right there, man. It's like the whole brush is... I don't wear mascara, though.
That's kind of the point. I wear it on the weekends.
Did you say that was called Big Papa?
Yes.
I thought it said Poopa.
P-O-P-P-A. Y'all, that is now Big Poopa.
Poopa.
I love it when you call me Big Poopa. That is not how it goes, first of all. Second of all, I'm keeping this.
Oh, all right. Okay.
So,
Okay, so then I have some Sheer Mineral Sunscreen.
Cetaphil.
50.
SPF 50.
50. Uh-huh.
Which one do I want to show? Whoa,
That is 0.35
you
ounces.
should do that one because that one relates to what you do.
Okay.
This one is new. Suave Pink. As if the pink tax wasn't enough. Alright, we have a Smooth Performer shampoo, Smooth Performer conditioner, and a Smooth Performer anti-frizz cream. Well, you don't struggle with that, but some of us thickums do. So, I might keep that if you don't want it.
You can have it.
Alrighty. With amino acid complex. By Suave, which I thought was a shaving company, and now they are promoting hair growth. Pick a side. I mean, come on.
I always thought they were a shampoo.
Suave?
Yeah. Suave shampoo.
I thought it was Suave shaving cream. Suave shave gel.
It's just products, honey.
Are you gonna promote hair be goneth or hair be groweth? Pick a side. You gonna do left or right? pick a side. I mean,
I'm going straight down the middle.
she's Team Switzerland. And the next item, the final item.
Which I've never seen these before.
Turn it around, because that is the back of the product.
There you go.
There you go.
Tablets. But
Listerine Ready Tabs.
Yeah, I
0 alcohol and sugar-free.
how about that?
Read that.
Chew to transform from a solid to a liquid in seconds. Clean mint.
Listerine Tabs.
Whole mouth clean, filling on the go. Chew it, swish it, and swallow it.
That sounds like something I would not enjoy.
Well, I don't do Listerine, so I definitely wouldn't enjoy that.
A Listerine does not mesh well with my tongue. So that's a no from me.
Did you show that already?
Okay, let's show it for the second time,
Okay,
as
don't
Miss
show it,
Kathy
don't show it.
forgot to show the Cetaphil.
Cetaphil.
It's Cetaphil brand. Did you
Oh,
show it
it's
up
the
close?
fill, okay.
Probably not. It's Cetaphil.
Okay.
Oh.
And then
Oh wait, no, that's
I
the
sho-
one you showed.
I
this
showed
one.
the, yeah, the sunscreen.
Okay, Cetaphil, extra gentle.
I didn't think you
daily
showed it,
scrub.
but-
I've read the Cetaphil.
Oh, the
Cetaphil.
same brand. Okay.
Yes, it's the same brand.
Suave, y'all. Suave.
Now, this is a extra gentle daily scrub because we know some of us are not gentle when we scrub. Gently exfoliates microfine particles to reveal radiant-looking skin. My dear, it is your birthday, and I think your skin is absolutely radiant.
Oh my
You
gosh.
don't need this.
So much kissing up going on.
However,
Oh,
since
there we
you
go.
are,
However,
since you are only 25 for the rest of your life,
I thought it was 29.
feel free to use it or give it away.
Okay, that was everything that was in the box. The box is empty. So, I hope you all
Anywho.
enjoyed this video.
Darling, I'm sure they did. My.
And I'm going to put it up today on my birthday as a birthday present to myself.
Happy birthday to you and you and you. Happy birthday for many more to come. Yay!
So I want to say thank you for those that gave me a birthday card.
Keep going.
Okay, and out at work, they actually bought some fruit and vegetables to celebrate my birthday. We
Whoop, whoop.
normally have a joint cake for everybody's birthday one time in the
Joint
month.
cake.
Yeah, it's not on a specific day. We just pick a day during the month and then everybody shares a cake. But in this case, they brought extra, so we had
I did this
fruit
a lot,
and
y'all, because
vegetables. Because you're trying to make me feel not so short.
yeah, I mean, like, if I... Ow! I hurt my ankle. If I go down here, like... I love it when you call me Big Poopa.
She'll always be little Megan to me, no matter how tall she gets. Okay, guys, thanks
Okay,
for
you'll always be
watching.
my little shorty.
Okay, give your hand signs. Ready?
Don't forget to...
Like, comment. I don't know what that is. Subscribe.
Hey, she got it! And...
Click on the little bell to get more.
It's a notification bell. That's how it works.
Okay, the notification bell. You crazy thing. So you can see more videos.
Can you tell I've had coffee today and I haven't had coffee in
A week.
a year? Oh my gosh.
You haven't had coffee all year.
Not since,
And you had coffee
Not
today.
since Rona started.
And
I
you
had
just
coffee
got-
yesterday and today and...
And it's still in your system.
Woo! I don't know about that, but, you know, I might be getting another one tomorrow.
Okay.
We'll see.
All right, guys. We'll see you next. Well, we'll see them. We'll see you
video.
which is coming out on Saturday. We're not going to tell you what it is. It's a surprise.
Shh. Don't tell anybody. Okay. But we're also not going to tell you, so, you know, you can't really spill the beans, you know.
Bye, everybody. Thanks for watching.
Bye.
Bye.